Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. I thought I would do some Valentine's Day nails. First thing I'm going to do is take a fine sanding band and I'm just going to drill the tips where my natural nails meet as well as the full tip. And these tips are my extra long C-curve tips that you can get on my online store. It is Shop Sweetest Flower. I will put the link in the description. And I'm making sure that I go over my natural nail bed as well. Now, this is not how I would prep my nails on the client. This is how I do my own nails because, as I said previously, I don't do my nails to last really long. I really just do them for the sake of the video and just the sake of take pictures. So if you're doing your nails on the client, make sure that you do all of your proper steps. And yeah. Now I'm using my Young Nails Protein Bond. I do use this on my clients as well as myself when I do my nails. And I'm just going to go ahead and proceed to the acrylic application. The pink glitter is called Poppy. I actually mixed this glitter with a lot more clear because I wanted it to be kind of a sheer look. But when you order the acrylic, it has a lot more glitter in it. And the pink is just a pink that I mixed myself, something that I wanted to use. And then you're going to see me encapsulating with clear acrylic. That is for me a secret. And the little hearts that I'm going to be using are from Amazon. I will have to put the link in the description if I can find them. Okay, now I'm going to seal my cuticles. This is a panna bit. It is a extra fine ceramic panna bit, and I did get this off Amazon. As I've said before, be careful when using this because it's easy to cut yourself or your client, but it works really well, so I definitely recommend, and I will put the link in the description where you can order it. Do you guys see that? I love that. I love these tips. Again, they're from my online store. It's called Shop Sweetest Flower. I'll put the link in the description. And now I'm using a 80 grit file. I got these off Amazon as well. I get a lot of my stuff off of Amazon, to be honest. But yeah, these are 80 grit files, and I'm making sure that I go underneath and over the tops because I want my nails to be crisp. And yeah. I did not record myself buffing the nails, but do that as well. And I'm using the Zule Bling adhesive for my Bling application. I'll put the link in the description for that as well. Last step is I'm going to top coat. Here I'm using my IBD gel top coat. I really like this top coat, and this is the finished look. They're so pretty, and I love how 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, whatever, y'all know what I'm talking about. The nails are, they just look so pretty. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at @the_sweetest flower. Thank you guys. Love you so much. Bye.